Hey guys, welcome to Bell's Rides. I'm Belle. Thanks for joining me today. So we are all loaded for some winter camping, so come along with us. Okay guys, we're in Lodi now, meeting up with my sister and brother-in-law, and then we're gonna hit the road again to the coast. I can't wait to get there. Look at the blue sky, yay!
5th anniversary.
Ooh, that's pretty. I like that car. That one goes like that.
Oh yeah, exactly.
The angle of the dangle, baby.
How much is the total? I hate when they do this. You don't. $6 for the first one and $5 every one after that. Thank you.
Go slow. Corner of that thing.
Definitely should have went to the truck one.
Yeah, next time we're gonna go.
Next time we know.
That was pretty freaking close.
That was narrow.
Are we gonna go slow for a while? Or will they just catch up?
They're actually, they were right behind us coming through the thing, but they gotta do that.
So San Francisco looks pretty. I don't know if I could get it out to see. Oh, no. You can barely see that in San Francisco way up there. Smile, Daddy-o. Caution, speed bump. You mean boulders?
Rip your axle off.
Caution, break your trailer.
Oh, yeah, but it's a good thing I put a sign there because that thing's not even painted. So this is like the lodge thing, and these are cabins right here. Or that's
Cabins
the
are
lodge.
cute.
Lodges here, so one of these is the restaurant.
Very cute cabins.
That's the bathroom, comfort station / fireplace on the other side there.
Oh, nice.
There's ones in here too.
It says right and stop at security gate.
I think it's what these here.
Yep.
Pretty good. How about you?
Much better today.
Boy, when they say speed,
got some sunshine today.
they say speed bump, they mean it.
They do, yeah.
They're gonna rip your axle off.
Oh, I know.
How you doing?
Good.
Are
So
we-
how can I help you?
Oh, we are here to stay.
Okay. So are you familiar with the resort?
Not really, not at all. We've never
Okay,
been
so
here.
you're going to check in at the KOA kiosk,
Okay.
which is on the right hand side of this road, but you got to go around that curve down about a block.
Okay.
You'll see them on the right side.
Perfect. Is that the restaurant?
That's the restaurant. It's kind of like a corporate center, and the store. The important for you is
Oh, there's a store.
general stores on the other side.
Okay, you gotta go way out, I think,
Yeah.
is what he was getting at. Oh, somebody was checking in at the kiosk.
Stay away from the trees and shit.
Right there, another speed bump. They're
They don't
serious
want-
about their
they don't want you to go
bumps, aren't
fast.
they?
That's the lodge, apparently.
Oh, pretty lodge.
So we're on this little circle right here. This first circle, we're over there, I think.
I want to be over there against those.
Yeah, we're not.
Make those people leave.
We're like 1, 2, 3.
Hey,
We're probably right
he's
there.
waving you on. Oh, bumps.
Shit. Yes, the speed bumps are there. Where's the kiosk thing? Is it-
Right on the other side of him. Hi, is this where we check in? Okay. Oh, yay! Which one is ours?
7. I don't know which one's 7. I think it's that one right there. We're gonna go ahead and see.
Okay, so there's poles on this corner, so you need to hug that side.
Problem with these ones on the ends are all really short.
Okay, guys, camp is set up. We're really roughing it this time. One of the things I love about this RV, this patio out here, I always try to get something with a view. Here we go. Our weekend view. Right down there is Pacific Coast Highway, and then beyond that is the ocean. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, enjoy the ride.